Come on, y'all, let's go shopping at Carolina Pottery. If you've been following me for a while, you know that this is my favorite store, and they are putting out Halloween. Look at all these cute Halloween picks and sprays, honey. All these cute little pumpkin picks. Look at those mummies. Ooh, pumpkins. Cute. Little witch hats. Very cute. Oh, those are so cute. Y'all know I had to pick up a couple of these and some of those and some of those and some of those. But look how cute. They usually have pretty good selection of stuff at Carolina Pottery, and it comes in pretty slowly, I guess. I'm not sure, but they always have new stuff when I go in there. But look at all the signs, mushrooms, scarecrows, all the fall signs and porch leaners and signs and pumpkins and all the cute fall things. Pumpkins, different colors, little scarecrows and things. All these yard signs. Look at that corn pumpkin. That's cute. All the signs. Here's some fall ribbon. They usually have a large selection of ribbon. And I found something cute. Isn't that nice? Yes, I'll take that. Coming back for that. I'm gonna come back for that and that. All the wreaths and things and bows. They sell bows there too. Now y'all, they're putting out the Christmas ribbon. I am so excited. And if you notice on the floor, they're starting to put out the Christmas trees as well. But they usually have a nice selection of Christmas ribbon. And I'll be coming back for a few things throughout getting ready for the Christmas season. They have lots of mesh, and even though they have a lot of mesh, they didn't have black, which I needed. And all the funeral cemetery arrangement things, glue guns, casket sprays, and these cute windows and everything. And y'all, they're starting to put out the fall wreaths and swags and garlands. Exciting. They have the extra big wreaths too. I was just looking at the prices. And huge swags. There's a Christmas tree. And look at all the greenery they have at Carolina Pottery. I'm not even showing y'all half the store. We're going to have to do a part 2. But they're starting to put out the fall greenery and pumpkins. And I had to put a couple of those in my cart. Another wall of ribbon. Fall pumpkins. See, those bins are empty. They haven't even filled them up with all the fall stuff yet. And they still have a lot of spring and summer that they're going to be taking out and filling up with fall. So the selection will grow. And y'all, all the restraint I have to practice when I go into the store, y'all just don't know. But all the beautiful fall selection of greenery. I got a few things, and I'll probably have to come back for part 2 to give y'all a tour of the other half of the store. All the bins and baskets and all that stuff. But thank you. Bye.